Bentley is very much so a place where you learn from the students above you. When I came in, I knew basically nothing about finance, and the students who were older than me took me under their wing and decided to teach me. And because of that, I was given so many opportunities. I was able to learn so much. The support amongst women at Bentley is probably one of my favorite things about Bentley. I personally had the privilege of having a wonderful mentor. She was the president of the Bentley Investment Group at the time, and she took me under her wing. She spent long nights with me in the trading room going over finance concepts, going over pitches, making sure that I was comfortable with the material that I was about to present. Working in the trading room as a woman has been honestly a phenomenal experience. It's given me not only the ability to speak fluently in financial literacy, but also the ability to speak in front of others and form relationships with intelligent people who I'm constantly learning from. Like, even I'm learning from freshmen and sophomores, and I'm a senior, and everybody comes into the trading room with such a unique perspective. I've actually done a lot to grow female interest in finance at Bentley. We brought in about 40 girls who had some level of interest in finance, and we spoke to them about what the investment group does, what the trading room does. We had 2 guest speakers come in, one from Goldman Sachs, one from Bloomberg, and we were just able to create an environment where these women felt welcome in a space that is male-dominated. Bentley has been the best decision I've ever made for myself. It's allowed me to grow in ways that I didn't know I needed to grow, and it's provided me with friendships that will last a lifetime.